Lot number 713 is a 2019 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. This is an all-wheel drive model. It's got a 3.7 liter V6 with 53,000 original miles. This vehicle has heavy collision damage to the front end. It's being sold as a junk candidate. This may be a good parts vehicle, but it has heavy collision damage to the front end. Now I'll show you everything I can see here. The hood is badly damaged. The engine appears to be complete and appears to be, I don't know. You can see that the radiator is crammed up on there. The oil's still in there. Engine appears to be in place. I see the oil cap is removed there. So this is a parts vehicle, and it's a shame it only had 53,000 miles, but it's got heavy damage to the front. I can see the chassis right there is bent, or the frame is bent up here. It took a hard hit to that push bar. Passenger side fender is also damaged. Windshield is cracked, I'm sure. Passenger door has a little damage along the edge here, but the rest of the door looks good. That's a usable part. The rear door looks good. Probably scratched it up a little bit more there. I'll show you the door panel from the other side. Here's the rear door. It's got a nice door panel. That rear door looks good. It's got a nice rear seat, black vinyl rear seat. Passenger seat looks good. Flex fuel, all-wheel drive. The liftgate appears to be in good shape. It's missing the Ford logo. Cargo area is nice and neat. It's going to come with the toolbox, so that's another usable part. Taillights look good. Driver's side has damage all over. It's got 4 matching steel wheels. The tires look rough. Missing all center caps. And here's the driver. Driver door panel is torn. It's missing some interior pieces here on the dashboard. AC vent, cover on the side. The whole bezel around the radio. The AC controls. Passenger door panel looks good, and the metal center console is included. The driver's seat is torn. Driver's seat is torn right there. All right, so there it is. It's got a lot of damage in the front. Engine, transmission, and exhaust system appear to be complete on the vehicle. It's being sold as a junk candidate. It would make a good parts car. It's lot number 713, 2019 Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, 3.7 liter all-wheel drive. Good luck.